Hi, my name is Diana Tafur, and this is activity number 2, the workshop. The sentence number 1. I live near a deep river. Sentence number 2. The children go to school by bus. Sentence number 3. Many stores close on Tuesday. Sentence number 4. My aunt rides a horse. Sentence number 5. The coffee tastes horrible. Sentence number 6. You are going to play football. Sentence number 7. When you finish the activities, you can eat. Sentence number 8. The movie took a lot. Sentence number 9. The football game was exciting. Sentence number 10. My friend's wedding is in October. Sentence number 11. We will study for the exam. Sentence number 12. Girls run around the park. Sentence number 13. If you want to get different results, do different things. Sentence number 14. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Sentence number 15. If it does not make happy, do not do it. Thank you.